हेलो किड्स, स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरे नए वीडियो में। आज हम सीखेंगे ABCD। A फॉर एप्पल, B फॉर बॉल, C फॉर कैट एंड D फॉर डॉग। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। A, capital A for apple. This is small a. B for ball, small b. C for cat, small c. D for dolphin. E for eagle. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ink pot. J for joker. K for kite. L for lamp. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for penguin. Q for quilt. R for rabbit. S for shark. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for vulture. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Bye bye kids. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.